Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a AutoCAD software, and today discuss here a lecture 36 and this lecture is very important for a beginner student because a 3 point is very important is discussed here. And today discuss here 4 point, and first is extract as and color as and copy as and implicit. Okay, this is a 4 point is discussed here. First is extract as, second is imprint is very important, and this is color as and this is copy as. 4 point is very important discuss here. And again select this solid edge and this use a imprint, and this is a extract as, and okay, this is a perfect. And going to this this is a 4 point discuss here. A 4 point is one time is this and 4 point is one by one is all point is discussed here, and this is a very important for a beginner student. Okay guys, at first drawing some sketch and then use this, and going to this okay, and this is a use of this 3D command is this and this is x-axis and y-axis and z-axis. Okay, all is perfect and correct. And this use a sided with S, and this is a SW isometric, and this is a world. Okay, all is perfect. And at first drawing this is a rectangle body is a drawing here this okay, and circle is also first circle and then use a second circle. Okay, this is this. Okay, and then use a press pull command is this and this is a okay, this is a perfect. And also use this small circle, and then this is a bigger circle is this. Okay, and drawing a two part is one by one is drawing here at first, and then use a for command is one by one is discussed here. At first select this extract as, and extract as is a created a wireframe geometry from the edge of a 3D solid surface mesh region as sub object. Okay, and then this is a very important this use this okay, this body is at first before this active extract as, then this body is a delete here. This body is a this only this is a body is remove, this is a remaining here this and going to undo. Okay, but extract as is a use active is this body, then a delete okay, this is a click here and select this full as body and right click, and this is a active, and this body is a extract as is active, and this body is a delete here, and then this is a this is changing here, and all edges is remaining here. But before this active or extract as, then only a rectangle is showing here, but active this extract edge is this all edge is showing here this body. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, delete here this okay, then use this delete here this and this body is only rectangle is this and this body is not active or extract as. And okay, and this is a perfect and going to this extract as is this active and whole body, and right click, then this active or extract as, and then delete this body, and all is edge point is remaining here. Okay, all is a perfect. Okay, and next is this I use a implicit is a implicit 2D geometry on a 3D solid, creating a additional edge on planar faces. Okay, click a implicit, then at first click a first body, and this use a second body. Okay, first use okay, this is a at first use implicit, then at first select a first body, and this is a imprint is a okay, this is a imprint is use a very important command, and at first active this body is a imprint, and select an object imprint, and this body is a this, and this body is a delete a source object, then yes is a this body is a delete here. Okay, this body is a delete here, and active this part, this upper face is body is delete here. Okay, this is a use undo, and undo is this full body and two part, first part and this is second part, and this use a imprint, again use a imprint, then at first select this first body is click here, and this imprint select an object to imprint, and this is a second part, and this body is a no, and this is a no is a this not deleting here, and then this is a okay, again select imprint, and second this is a first body, and second this is a second, and then use a yes, then this part is a remove here, and full a small circle, a small solid circle is remaining here. Okay, and going to this. Okay, and then use a imprint, and then first body, and second is this, and yes, and this is a remaining here is this. Okay, and next is very important command is discuss here. This next command is this use a color edge. Color edge means this select here this color edge is this edge is of select here first, this edge is a first, and okay, this edge is a select here first, and this edge is also second here second. Okay, not second here, and this is a okay, this use this body is a delete here, and delete this part. Okay, this is a full body is delete here, and use a rectangle is a drawing here this, and press pull is this active. Okay, and this part is select this use this is a color edge is select here, and then this is a edge is looking, you can see here on the screen, first edge and second, this is a select here second edge. Okay, and this is a third edge. Okay, this is a select here, and this is a first and second and third edge is select here, and right click and going to enter. Then this is a color, and color is red is perfect showing here, and this is blue is this is pink color is perfect, and this is a color is showing here, and this color is very important. This is a perfect, and again going to this use this 2D wireframe, and this is a color edge. Okay, this is a, you can see here this is a color, and okay, and this is a okay, this is a color here. Okay, and this is a okay, okay, and this body is a perfect, okay. And next is use here this going to copy as, and copy as a very important command is perfect, and select this edge, okay. And again, okay, this is a bottom is this, and select this as copy as, and select this bottom edge is select here, okay. This edge is a, this is a some part is a this, okay. Some part is rotate here this, okay. And this edge is a select here, but okay. And this, and again select this copy edge, and this edge is select here, okay. And right click, enter, and this is going to this point, edge point is this, and this is a click here this, and this edge is, okay, remove here, and this is a perfect. And again select a copy edge, and this is a edge is select here, and right click, enter, and remove this, and this is a this, okay. Okay, this is a this, okay. And delete here, okay. And again select this this copy as, right click, enter, and going to this, okay. And again copy as, select this, right click, enter, and going to this, okay. This is a this, and this body is a delete here, okay. And one by one is all point, okay. This is a perfect, but this line is a, okay, okay. And this is a some drag here, okay, okay. And this portion is also delete here, this use undo, but this portion is a delete here, and this portion is okay. And this line is a, this portion is delete here, okay. This is a line is a this also delete here, and then use this, okay. And also this line also this use a color edge is this, this line, and also this line, and right click, and going to enter, and this is a red color, okay. And also this line is a, okay, first and second and third, right click, okay. And right click, enter, this color is a red color is this, going to this, okay. And this color is a this, okay. And this is a this, okay, okay. Okay, and all is perfect and correct and all point is this and this 4 point is discuss here, and all point is one by one is discussed here easily and clearly. Okay guys, next lecture is coming soon. Okay guys, thank you.